3. Whoa. Hey stars, if you're new here, my name is Tara and passing it on is my passion. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I will be unboxing, ta-da! The cheese spin and curl. I'll be trying it out. I'll be doing a first impression review. I am so excited. I have been looking for a curling iron that would make my life easier when it comes to styling my hair, curling my hair, achieving that effortless beach waves look. If you guys are interested to know more about this product, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Alright, so before I unbox this, let us just go over what is written here in the box. So it says cheese, spin and curl, and its features right here: ceramic rotating curler 1 inch, matte black. It has a free cleaning tool, and right here it says new look. Here it says effortless curls are just 3 steps away. Yay. So we have the instructions right here, and right here at the back, its features. Open chamber, easy to release your hair while protecting your skin from getting burned. 1 inch ceramic barrel creates the perfect curl for hair longer than 4 inches. Left and right buttons, easy to control the direction of your curls. LCD temperature setting up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit for all hair types. So let us open it. So we have the manual here, and we have the directions for use. So I read it a few minutes ago, and it is pretty easy to understand. And we have also some tips here and cleaning instructions, which is really good. And now let us try it. So it is pretty long, which is really good. It's about 1, 2, about 2.5, more or less, inches long. Good job. So let's try it. Buttons right there. Gonna press on. Yay, it is on. It's what I usually do when I curl my hair using the flat iron. I usually start at the back, so I'm just gonna use a clip. Sure if... Ooh, that was pretty simple. So I think I have to wait for the beep. Ta-da! Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it that way, and later on I'm gonna, you know, yeah. Reset. Okay, it just happened. Let's do it again. It said reset. I think it's because my hair got tangled inside. Okay, let's do it again. All is well. Uh-oh, again. Okay. Let me just say, one of the things that I love about it is that when I am curling my hair, like, you can do that and it's fine. You know, you're not gonna get burned. Kamapaso. Ta-da! Okay, I'm just gonna do that to loosen the curls, to, you know, see. Whoa. Okay, now I cannot stop looking at my curls. I love it so much. Okay, now for my feedback, likes and dislikes. The things I like about this, number one, is that it is very easy to use, beginner friendly, I would say, and I think some professionals are using this as well. And I really love the quality of the curls that I get. Like, this is what I want, exactly what I want. Beach waves, I love it. And then I love that it curls your hair for you, if you know what I mean. Yeah, you just put it there and then it spins and it curls, and then after a few seconds you're done. And your skin doesn't get burned when you use it. Like when it gets very near to your skin, it kind of gets hot, but rest assured you won't get burned with it. So yeah, the thing I dislike probably is that it's kind of heavy, but it's okay. It's fine. Other than that, I super duper love it. And I just want to say thank you to Mama for this gift. Ma, thank you so much. And thank you to Ate Mimay for assisting Mama in buying this one for me. Thank you, Ma. I love it so much. So this was bought in the States in Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. And it retails at $99. So convert to pesos, that's like 4,950. Now I'm not sure if we can purchase this here in the Philippines. I checked. You can actually purchase this in Lazada. However, just make sure that you buy a legit one. Okay. So yeah, that is it. I super duper love it. I finally have a curling iron that is really easy to use and achieves the curls, the waves that I want. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. See you in the next one. Stay lovely. Feeling hearty.